Exercise 4.1, question number 8. See question number 8. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will increase by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So in this question, variables length and breadth. Let the length of rectangle be x units and breadth of rectangle be y units. Now we have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Length value x, breadth value y, xy square units. Okay, length of rectangle be x units, breadth of rectangle be y units. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Length x, breadth y, xy square units. Case 1. If we reduced the length by 5 units and increase the breadth by 2 units. The area will reduced by 80 square units. This is first case. If we reduced the length by 5 units and increase the breadth by 2 units, the area will reduce by 80 square units. Length ni 5 units reduce చేసిరు. Reduce means minus. So length x reduced by 5 units minus 5, x minus 5. Increase the breadth by 2 units, breadth y increase by 2 units, y plus 2. The area will reduce by 80 square units. Area xy reduced by 80 square units, minus 80. Reduced means minus, increase means plus. Length, reduced length by 5 units, x minus 5. Increase the breadth by 2 units, y plus 2. Area will reduce by 80 square units, xy minus 80. Now length into breadth, x minus 5 into y plus 2 equal to length into breadth equal to xy minus 80. xy minus 80. First multiply x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x minus 5 into y, minus 5y, minus 5 into 2, minus 10, that equal to xy minus 80. xy will get cancelled. So remaining 2x minus 5y, 2x minus 5y equal to, minus 10 goes to that side, plus 10, minus 80 plus 10, 2x minus 5y minus 80 plus 10, minus 70. This is first linear equation. Okay, reduced length by 5 units. Reduced means minus. Reduced length by 5 units, x minus 5. So length ni 5 units reduce చేశారు, x minus 5. Increase the breadth by 2 units. The breadth ni 2 units increase చేశారు, y plus 2. The area will reduce by 80 square units. Area 80 square units reduce అయింది. Area అంటే xy minus 80. Length into breadth equal to xy minus 80. Here, this is linear equation 1. Ten five. The area will increase by 50. 10 by 50. Increase the this 10 or 550. Case 2, if we increase the length by 10 units and reduced the breadth by 5 units, the area will increase by 50 square units. increase length by 10 units, x plus 10. Increase means plus. Increase the length by 10 units, x plus 10. Reduced breadth by 5 units, y minus 5. Y minus 5. Reduced means minus, increase means plus. The area will increase by 50 square units. Area xy increase by 50 units. 50 square units. Xy plus 50. Length into breadth equal to xy plus 50. X plus 10 into y minus 5 equal to xy plus 50. First multiply with x. X into y. Xy. X into minus 5. Minus 5x. Now multiply with 10. 10 into y. 10y. 10 into minus 5. Minus 50. That equal to xy plus 50. xy will get cancelled. So remaining minus 5x plus 10y minus 50 goes to that side plus 50. Already here 50 plus 50 minus 5x plus 10y 50 plus 50 100. This is linear equation 2. Now draw the tables. First 2x minus 5y that equals to 70. Second one minus 5x plus 10y that equals to 100. X value, y value, 2x goes to that side minus 2x, 70 minus 2x, 70 minus 2x, minus 5 goes down, here x comma y, so x value 40, y equals to 70 minus 2, x value 40 by minus 5. 2 into 40, 80. So this is minus 70, sorry, minus 70. Minus 2 into 40, 80. Minus 80 minus 70. Minus 150 by minus 5. Minus minus will get cancelled. 5 1 ja 5 30. 30 times 30. 40 comma 30. Next, x value 15, y equals to minus 70 minus 2, x value 15 by minus 5. 2 into 15, 30, minus 70 minus 30, minus 100 by minus 5. Minus minus will get cancelled, 5 1 5 20 times 20. 15 comma 20. 15 comma 20. Now second equation, x value, now y value, minus 5x goes to that side, plus 5x, 100 plus 5x, 100 plus 5x, 10 goes down, x comma y. So x value 40, y equals to 100 plus 5x, x value 40 by 10. 5 into 40, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 by 10, 0 0 cancel, 30, 40 comma 30, first point. Next, x value 20, x value 20, y equals to 100 plus 5x, x value 20 by 10. 5 into 20, 100 plus 100, 200, 200 by 10, 0 0 cancel, 20, 20 comma 20. Okay. Now graph. Y-axis, x-axis, 0, origin. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equals 5 units. 5 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter equals 5 units. X value is to 40, take 5 minutes. Y value is to 30, take 5 minutes. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Next minus 5, minus 10 and minus 15. This 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Minus 5, minus 10. Now in first table, first point 40 comma 30. 40, 30. Here 40 and 30. 15 comma 20. 15, 20. Here 15, 20. So join them with scale. So we got line. In second table, first point 40 comma 30. Same point 40 comma 30. 20, 20. 20 and 20. Here 20, 20. Second line. So this is intersecting point 40, 30. 40 comma 30. 40, 30. Now conclusion. The lines are intersecting at a point 40 comma 30. 40 comma 30. Therefore x value 40, y value 30. X means length. So length equal to 40 units. Y means breadth. Breadth equal to 30 units. This conclusion. Question number 9. In 10th class, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. Let the number of benches be X. Let the number of students be Y. So we don't know number of benches and number of students. Number of benches be X, number of students be Y. Case 1. If three students sit on each bench. If three students sit on each bench, then one bench will be left. If three students sit on each bench, then one student will be left. One student will be left. Okay. If three students sit on each bench, then one student will be left. The bench ki three students కూర్చుంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతుంది. So x equal to y. X means number of benches, y means number of students. 3x. 3 students sit on each bench. 3 students sit on each bench. 3x. అంటే బెంచ్ కి 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చోండి. 3x. One student will be left. Y means students. One student will be left. -1. అంటే బెంచ్ కి 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చుంటే ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ నుంచి ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతుండు. బెంచ్ కి 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చుంటే ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ లో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతున్నాడు. 3x equals to y minus 1. Can written as 3x plus y goes to left side minus y, that equal to -1. This is first linear equation. Case 2. If 4 students sit on each bench, then one bench will be left. బెంచ్ కి 4 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చుంటే ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది. సో x equal to y. సో ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది కదా. సో ఇక్కడ బెంచెస్ నుంచి ఒక బెంచ్ మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాం. హౌ మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ సిట్ ఆన్ ఈచ్ బెంచ్? 4 స్టూడెంట్స్. దట్ ఈక్వల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది క్వశ్చన్లో. ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది అంటే బెంచ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే బెంచెస్ కదా. ఈ బెంచెస్లో ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది అంటే -1. హౌ మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ సిట్ ఆన్ ఈచ్ బెంచ్? 4 స్టూడెంట్స్. 4 into x minus 1, that equals to y. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into -1, -4, that equals to y. Can be written as 4x plus y goes to left side minus y, -4 goes to right side plus 4. This is linear equation 2. కేస్ వల్లనేమో ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతుండు, కాబట్టి స్టూడెంట్స్ నుంచి మనం మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ కేసులో ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది, బెంచెస్ నుంచి ఒక బెంచ్ మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి. బెంచెస్ నుంచి ఒక బెంచ్ మైనస్ చేసినాం. ఇక్కడ ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతుంది, అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ నుంచి ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ బెంచెస్ నుంచి ఒక బెంచ్ మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ కేసులో 4 మెంబర్స్ కూర్చుంటారు, ఫస్ట్ కేసులో 3 మెంబర్స్ కూర్చుంటారు. First, 3x minus y equal to minus 1. 4x minus y equal to 4. X value and y value. Minus y goes to that side plus y. Minus 1 goes to left side plus 1. 3x plus 1 equal to y. So y equal to 3x plus 1. Now x comma y. So x value 2. Y equal to 3x. X value 2 plus 1. 3 2 6 plus 1 7. 2 comma 7 is first point. X value 5. Y equal to 3x. X value 5 plus 1. 3 into 5 15 plus 1 16. 5 comma 16. Now second table. X value and y value. Minus y goes to that side plus y. So right here 4 goes to left side minus 4. 4x minus 4. X comma y. Same x value 2. Y equals to 4x. X value 2 minus 4. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 4 4. 2 comma 4. Next 5. Y equal to 4x. X value 5 minus 4. 4 into 5 20 minus 4 16. 5 comma 16. Y-axis, scale on x-axis 1 cm, 2 units on y-axis 1 cm, 2 units, 2 units, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4. Now in first table, first point to 2 comma 7. 2, 7. Between 6 and 8. 7. This is 7. 2. 2, 7. 2, 7. Next point 5 comma 16. 5 between 4 and 6. 16. 16. Okay, 5 and 16. Join them with scale. We got line. This is line. In second table, first point 2 comma 2 comma 2, 4x minus y equal to 4. So y equal to 4x minus 4. 4, 2 comma 4. So 2 and 4 here. 2, 2, 4. Next point, same point, 5, 16. This is 5, 16. So this is the intersecting point. 5, 16. 5 comma 16. Now conclusion. The lines are intersecting at 5 comma 6, 5 comma 16. Therefore x value 5, y value 16. X means number of benches. Number of benches 5. Number of students 16. Graphical method over. This is geometrical method. Graphical method over.